After solving problems on angle and revolution based on directions, so that was a part 1. Now let's move to part 2 of the video series on the same concept, that is um, we have to solve for angle and revolution based on directions, but at this time it's a little bit different from what we discussed here. Again, since it requires direction, that is north, east, west and south, so let's draw our cardinal directions. This one, I'll repeat again, this is part 2 of the video series on angle and revolution based on directions: north, south, east, west. Okay, what part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing east and turn clockwise to face north? You are standing in this direction, that is, you are facing towards east, and you are now turning in clockwise direction, and you are facing, you started from east and turned clockwise to face north. Now you're facing in this direction. It's asking what part of a revolution or what fraction of a revolution have you turned through. We know that if we move by one right angle, then we have turned through 1 by 4 revolution. If we turn through 2 right angles, it means that we have turned through 1 by 2 revolutions. If we turn through 3 right angles, it means that we have turned through 3 by 4 revolution. And if we turn through 4 right angles, it means that we have taken 1 complete revolution. And for those of you who are thinking like, what's that? So please go to the playlist and watch our previous videos. Okay, so we are facing towards north, so we will first turn through from east towards the south. This is the first right angle. Then south to west, it's a second right angle, and then from west to north, it's the third right angle. And now we are facing towards north. Since we have moved through 1, 2 and 3 right angles, it means that this time we have turned through what part of a revolution? 3 by 4 of a revolution. Okay, let's delete all those stuffs. And let's begin again with the second B part. You're facing towards south, we are facing towards south, and turn clockwise to face east. So you are facing towards east, this direction. We took first right angle, that is south to west, then second right angle turn, that is from west to north, and then the third right angle turn, that is from north to east. We are now facing in this direction. It means that we have traveled through we have rotated through 1, 2 and 3 right angles. It means again 3/4 of a revolution. Let's again remove all those stuffs, and this time you are facing towards west, that is in this direction, and turn clockwise to face east. You turn clockwise, and now you are facing towards east. So you first turn through west to north, that's the first right angle. Then from north to east, that's the second right angle. Since you have moved through 1 and 2 right angles, it means that this will be 1 by 2 of a revolution. And that's it.